Gaisano Tubod. No, exit tayo. Tama ba?
Yep.
So we have our resource person.
First person?
How long? Ikaw?
Ako?
Ah, how long is Panggil
Panggil
Bridge?
Bridge is 3.77 kilometers. So it will be longer. It's longer than San Monico Bridge. It's only 2.7.
Where is it located? Location of Panggil Bridge?
In Tubod, and we have at its entrance is San Tubod. Very strategically located.
The problem is it safe to cross?
We will find out. Soon find out if it's safe.
Medyo, oy, naka, patras siya.
Hmm?
This one.
Punta, hanap ng parking.
Okay. So, mag-exit tayo here. This is Gaisano Mall in Tubod, Lanao del Norte. Ito yung one of the very strategic na real estate acquisition. Kasi this area used to be barren na lang siya. Tapos ngayon naging commercial na yung area.
Huwag mag-ano eh. If you want to take a ligo, huwag ka take a ligo.
Hindi na ako nagbili ng ano.
Ay, kabili?
Ang parukyara sa ano man, extra rush card.
Extra rush card lang.
You can use water just to ligo.
Pwede naman siyang dumaan dito. Si Joe pala yun eh. Okay.
No, there's no problem.
So, exit. Do you know that Tubod is home of the sagingan? Kala ko saging. Ibig sabihin home of banana plantation. Kasi sagingan eh, nakalagay.
So, is it true?
Yan, dyan nakalagay. I was checking on anong, kala ko home of the saging.
Pwede man eh. It also works.
Ayan, no? So exiting kami ng Gaisano Tubod. Then, used to be this area. Tibay din pala yun. Yun pala yung, no? Doon sa gilid pala yung kanya. Okay.
Take the next right onto Liniment, Zamboanga Road.
So dito na tayo. No, we'll be entering.
In 50 meters at Tubod Rotunda, take the first exit.